Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting upgrades on the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, the back camera system. Apple is promising next-level photography and video powered by new hardware and AI. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max packs a triple lens system, wide, ultra-wide, and an all-new upgraded periscope telephoto lens, which is exclusive to the Pro Max model. The camera bump is slightly slimmer this year, thanks to the titanium frame, and overall it feels premium and sturdy in the hand. Setup is as easy as ever with Apple's Clean Camera app, though now you get more pro controls for fine-tuning your shots. When it comes to photos, this phone delivers. The 48-megapixel main sensor captures stunning detail in bright conditions. Colors lean natural and true to life. Apple avoids the overly saturated look that some Android flagships push. The new nano-texture lens coating helps reduce glare and lens flare, which makes outdoor shots look sharper and clearer. In low light, Apple's Photonic Engine 2.0 is a game changer. Night photos are brighter, sharper, and show less noise. You get richer detail in shadows, and skin tones stay accurate, even in dim conditions. Now let's talk zoom. The telephoto lens finally gives us 10 times optical zoom thanks to the periscope system, and the results are impressive. Shots remain sharp and usable even at higher zoom levels, which is a huge step for Apple. The ultra-wide lens also got an upgrade, with better edge correction that removes distortion. That means landscapes, group shots, and creative angles look much cleaner. Video has always been Apple's strong suit, and this year it's even better. The iPhone 17 Pro Max supports 8K video at 30 frames per second, plus upgrades to ProRes and cinematic mode. Stabilization is smoother than ever, making handheld clips look professional. Dynamic range is excellent, balancing bright skies and dark shadows with ease. For content creators, this is hands down one of the best mobile video cameras you can buy in 2025. So, is the iPhone 17 Pro Max back camera worth it? Absolutely. With a sharper main sensor, powerful zoom, and pro-level video, this is a camera system built for everyone, from casual shooters to professionals. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more detailed tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.